Welcome to our mining site. Today, I'll show you how one of the largest mining operations in the world works, step by step.
See this striation pattern here? It matches the anomaly on the scan.
Yes, the spectral data confirms high iron content right there. I'll log the coordinates.
Zoom in on this green section. What's the structural integrity reading?
Looks stable, but logistics are showing a bottleneck here.
The concentration levels here are promising.
Yes, I agree. The particulates are stable.
All right, team, remember the updated safety protocols for the crushing area. Ensure your harnesses are double checked before descending. John, let's see that strap.
Yes, ma'am. Everything's secured.
The yield just spiked significantly at the Omega site.
Are the transport systems keeping pace with that influx?
Dump the load further down. We are running out of space on this side.